I've been making pears in red wine since I was a teenager, but I used to poach them. This recipe is lazier and easier, and it tastes just as good. Have 6 just right pears. You don't have to peel them, but they'll turn a more garnet colour if you do. Put them in a gratin dish and pour over 100 ml of crème de cassis. This is what gives a really intense fruity flavour, and 300 ml of red wine. You can just use an inexpensive Chilean merlot. Sprinkle with 60 grams of caster sugar and tuck in a few bay leaves. Bake in a 180-degree fan oven until tender. Check after 20 minutes to see if they're done, though it could take a bit longer if your pears aren't very ripe. Let the pears cool, then add 150 grams of blackberries, spooning the juices up over them. Serve this within about half an hour before the berries get too soft. And there we have it, cassis and bay baked pears with blackberries. This is the most autumnal dessert.